Good morning, Brett. How are you? Welcome to What's the Future.co. How are you this morning, bud?
Good, man. It's nice to be on our daily routine. We're one day away from starting our 21-day challenge.
That is it, because we got a challenge. But I got a question for you, Brett. The last time you used Google Maps, did it buffer?
Never.
Last time you used Google Maps, did it tell you what the traffic looked like 20 minutes after you got there?
Correct. Tell me before.
It told you before. So the point I'm making here is when we talk about innovation and when we talk about going digital, we've got to understand some outcomes here. Google Maps works because they've got their data structure right. So 21 days, we've got a little bit more time than we normally did, and I think a lot of people do as well. We're going to go through a 21-day program on understanding on how to make AI work and help everyone out there just get their heads around this.
Love that, Mike. Absolutely love that. That's cool.
So firstly, that's our 21-day challenge.
Yeah, so that's ours.
That's ours.
Mike and Brett. Yeah, okay, cool.
So we're going to put that together on a daily. Are we going to do it on the weekends?
Yeah, let's do it on the weekends. Fuck it. But I'm not going to wake up at 7, Mike.
No, we're not going to wake up at 7. We're allowed to sleep in. And if we don't wake up at 7, I won't have the sun shining on me here because I can see the perfectionists moaning about the sun. So our 21-day challenge is really helping big and small businesses understand how to make AI work and really understand what it means to go into the cloud, because it's not just moving on-prem to digital servers effectively.
Yeah, it's very complicated,
yeah.
And also at the same time very easy. I think we just have to debunk a bunch of myths and let's help people understand what all these techies have been going on about.
You know why this is important for me? Because I'm starting to get my head around this, Brett, but a lot of this is very conceptual. I'm not a data oak. I'm not a coder. I'm not a techie. And a lot of these concepts are concepts. And I really struggle to put these ideas into pictures in my mind that I can see how it all fits together, how it all works. And for me, that's what I want to get out of this as a course, is to make sure that we can actually put this all into a way that people understand and see a picture and can start putting the dots together.
So, Mike, it's quite interesting because I consider you one of South Africa's top digital guys. And I guess digital has changed a lot. So I'm going to quickly let's go through what we're not going to talk about.
Yes.
Because as traditional digital people, when we say we're going digital, one expects us to talk about websites, how to build a website, how to drive traffic to a website, how to build your advertising campaigns on Google, on Facebook, how to collaborate using tools like Slack, even Zoom, how to get together, how to use these new technologies, how to improve your comms using WhatsApp, how to broadcast, how to do webinars, even how to use basic SaaS tools. SaaS is software as a service. So that is any service that you would subscribe to on a monthly basis. Now we're going to talk about some of them. All of that, Mike, unfortunately, is what we've been doing for a living last 10 years. However, in the last 4 years, you and I have been truly digitalizing business, ensuring that businesses can be as effective and good from a technology standpoint and customer value point as a Google Maps is.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we're going to help guys understand how to go that digital right. We're not going to help you with your books. With your websites and podcasts. Guys, millions of sites to research that right.
Exactly. And it's been done pretty well. I mean, there's a lot of information already online about it. We don't need to rehash it yet. We're not one of the crowd.
Correct. So give you very, very quick, what can you expect from us? First of all, we're going to teach you for large and small businesses. We'll do separate podcasts or video casts for each. We'll start with infrastructure. What does it take to convert your infrastructure into a digital-based infrastructure? Then we're going to look at how do you modernize that. Once you are up in the cloud, what are you going to do to make it super effective and make it work in your organization, both for small and big business? Then you need to get your data right. Now, all your applications are firing. You need to get your analytics right. the dashboards and running your business from a small business point of view. How would you be able to react and behave like a large organization? And a large organization, how are you able to respond and be as quick as a small organization? And all of this is leading to the one thing that we're most passionate about, Mike, and that's making AI work. Whether it's in a small business or in a large business, we will go into the detail. We'll share with you all of our IP.
Absolutely.
What we do at TerraFlow is we do this in large organizations, and we're going to teach you how to do it. Because if you don't learn how to do it, then none of us are going to get there. So we're going to share everything we know.
Cool. And we're going to bring in our teams as well. And we're going to talk about the people and the technology side of this.
So guys, if you want to learn about that, we start probably this evening with our first recording, but we'll publish it tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. Let's try to teach you as much as you can. A lot of you are going to be sitting there twiddling your thumbs for the next 21 days. So our challenge is to share as much as we can.
We can. Fantastic. Brett, catch you later, buddy.
Catch you later, pal.
Cheers.